You have to learn the rules of the game so that you can play better than anyone else. Hello everyone and welcome back to Tegunity Academy. Just as there are some rules in every industry, in the same way there are also rules in the network marketing industry which are known as cardinal rules. If you already know about the cardinal rules, then it is very good, and if not, then today you will know from this video. First of all, it is very much important to know what cardinal rules means. Cardinal rules represent a fundamental rule upon which other matter hangs. Cardinal rules have been followed in the network marketing for a long time, and all the leaders, great leaders in this network marketing industry recommends to follow the cardinal rules. So we would like to tell them that it is a rule to stop your vehicle at the red light while driving. And if you are not doing so, then government will charge you fine for breaking that rule. Even in the network marketing industry, if you do not follow the cardinal rules, then you have to pay a big amount, like struggle for continuance for 4 to 5 years without succeeding. This is why it is important to follow the cardinal rules. But hold on a second, before moving ahead, would like to share a good news with you that this video is also available in Hindi language. So if you wanted to watch the videos in the Hindi language, then you have two options. First, go to the YouTube search bar and you can search tegunity.com, which is our official YouTube channel. And on tegunity.com YouTube channel, you will see all the videos of network marketing in Hindi language. And second option is quite simple, that in the description box of this video, you will find a link to the Hindi version of this video. So you can see all the Hindi version videos from that link. So now let us know what the cardinal rules are. Basically, these cardinal rules are made up of 3 rules, and the first of which is do not try anything new without asking your uplines. We asked so many people that before taking this or that step, means while taking decisions, that they consult their uplines, and almost 85% of them answered when they called their upline, they didn't pick up their calls. They were busy doing something, so I didn't ask them. My uplines wanted me to grow slowly, or he didn't like my way of handling things, and they talked about their personal benefits all the time, etc., etc. But this doesn't happen with everyone because exceptions are always there. So these statements make things very clear to us that many people do not follow their uplines, or they do not consult them while trying or implementing new things to build their business. And as a result, they faced unexpected negative results, so they left the industry. Look, it is very simple to understand. Like if you wanted to go to Goa from Mumbai, which is 587 kilometers far, then what will you do? You will simply take the highway AH47, right, and you will reach Goa. Or will you first book the flight to Bengaluru and then you can go to Goa by the road? Obviously, you will take AH47 highway for Goa. So it is also important for you to understand that the proven and time-tested business model that has been created for the network marketing industry, you have to follow that, which is the roadmap of your success. So it is very important for you that before doing anything new, you must consult to your uplines. So do not try to surprise your uplines by doing something new, because this may eventually surprise you sometime. So from this point, some people may have some questions like, we do not have an upline, or due to any reason, we do not have anyone to whom we can consult with or someone who can teach us. So in such a situation, we have a solution for you if you really would like to take actions on it. You can consult to the top achievers of your organization, take appointments from them. Now, some people may also say that we cannot even do so because they didn't have enough time for us. Or you can also say that he or she is your cross line, so why he will talk to you? Look, this is such a reality that you guys must be facing. In such a situation, YouTube can become a very good and free educational source for you. It is not necessary for you to only watch our educational videos. You should watch the videos of that person you liked and make your business big by your learnings. Yes, but keep in mind and stay away from those people who showed you dreams of becoming rich overnight. Now come to the second rule, that is never pass on negativity to your downline and your crossline. You should always keep this in mind to not pass on or share any negative thought to your downline. Because when you start sharing something negative about the industry to your downline, they will lose their trust in you as well as in the industry. Maybe you do not know that spreading negativity at the crossline is like spoiling your own business. Because if today you will pass on the negativity to your crossline, then remember that tomorrow someone else can do the same with you. So that is why you should teach the same to your team, that they do not pass anything negative, neither in their downline and nor in the crossline. And please note that if there is any kind of problem that they are facing, then first it is very important to consult with their uplines. And the same question arises again. What to do if you do not have an upline? At this situation, you can take advantages of online social media platforms. Contact a smart person and ask your questions to them. And still, if you do not get any response, then you can contact us by simply dropping your mails. And the links of our all social media handles are available in the description box of each video of ours. So click on the links and join our online community. That is absolutely free for everyone. Now come to the third cardinal rule, which told about never mess with someone's ego, money and spouse. By the way, every successful leader says that we should never play a game with anyone's money. But today, chit fund companies running in the name of network marketing industry holds the highest record of breaking this third cardinal rule. Many people invest their money in greed, and when that company winds up, they start blaming the network marketing industry, even though they do not know that it was not a network marketing company. It was exactly a money rotation company, and the purpose of which was only to collect money. Although this is due to the people who encouraged others to invest their money for their own benefits. This is not only happening in the chit fund companies, but nowadays this is happening in the network marketing companies also. Because nowadays some leaders lure new distributors for higher designations and say that if your designation increases, then the company will organize or arrange a big celebration for you. And people will start to know you and so, and they brainwashed them. And the new distributor who listens them, they start doing bulk buying. And then after some time, when the products are not retailing, then they realized that I have made such a big mistake. But by then it is too late. Sometimes it also happens that your uplines do bulk buying. So you also started doing bulk buying because maybe his uplines taught him this and exactly that he taught you. So there is no fault of yours and your uplines. Here you have to act wisely because some people take advantages of new distributors who came to the industry for their personal benefits. But there is no fault of network marketing companies or the industry in this. And if there is anybody's faults, then that is of those greedy leaders who gave wrong directions to their distributors and they played with their monies for their own personal profits. Well, we can stop these nuisance things and can save the hard-earned money of the others too. And the network marketing industry should not be discredited due to such fake people. You can do this only by make people more aware about all these things. Either you go and tell everyone individually or else you tell them to watch this video at least for once. Make people aware so that they can avoid any deception. So this is it about the cardinal rules. If you really like this video and the information, then hit the like button and feel free to comment below and share your experiences about the cardinal rules. So we'll meet you soon with some more valuable information and the content. So make it sure to subscribe the channel, and with this tap to the bell icon to not miss the very next upload. So this is Divya from Tegunity Academy. See you soon. Till then, goodbye. Jai Hind.